Hi my friend, today I am excited to show you another video where I bring creativity and storytelling together. I'll be using Margarete Miller's 5 weekly prompts to create a collage and a short story. Join me if you want to find out more and let's get crafting together. Welcome to week 49 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. Can you believe it's already December and there are only 4 collages left for this year? As always, if you are new here, I am using a 4x6-inch index card every week as the base of my collage. It's the size of an ordinary postcard and I'm sending them to my mom in Germany. And I am inspired by the 5 prompts of Margarete Miller, and this week is a cityscape or urban life, textured paper, a word in a foreign language, an image from a magazine, something you can wear, and as a bonus, a holiday rubber stamping or sticker. I am starting off with the first prompt, cityscape, and I'm using a children's coloring in book or exercise book, and here they are asked to draw little houses, but I will use it and cut some of them out for my collage. I find them very cute and whimsical. Here they are. As the next one is textured paper, and I have this paper here. Can you see it's shiny and silvery and it's embossed? Can you see this on the back side? So there's a real texture to the paper. It is part of a paper pack I got in Germany called Glanzvolle Sternenwelt. It means glittering star worlds. And yes, I prepared already the back side of my index card with the paper. I glued it down before, and I will use Sternenwelt as a word in a foreign language. Then something from a magazine, Hör zu. This is a TV guide my mom gets every week, and she collected the stickers for me. So I brought it back from my last visit in Germany. So let's start by cutting out, or I think I will use my metal ruler to tear out the word Sternenwelt, like star world, and I will use this as the word in a foreign language. I think together with the houses for the next prompts, image from a magazine and stamping or sticker, I will use this from the magazine from my mom, and here's a code for something you can wear, and with the other stickers I will see which ones I would like to use for this week's collage. But for now I would like to start doing a little bit of watercolor, like coloring, and I thought I might like to paint the roofs of the houses in silver. So I thought it is a nice touch and it fits so nicely to the background, to this swirly silver. And I got this watercolor set also in Germany while I was there. So unfortunately I can't tell you where I got it from. Some people have asked me, but I unfortunately have no idea even the company who produced it. So from now on I will definitely, when I buy something, I will keep the receipt or will definitely write down where I got it from. But yeah, so here the silver roofs. I don't know if the camera can pick it up properly, but yeah, I think you can see it. Yeah, let me know in the comments if it was visible. It would be really interesting for me to see or to hear if you can see it. And I think I would like to add also a little bit of color on top of it, and I thought blue would be nice because it is fitting nicely to the word Sternenwelt on top. And here maybe just coloring the chimney and maybe the window frames and door frames as a contrast. So not coloring in the entire house, but really little bits that stand out. I think I really enjoy doing that. I find it always so interesting when I do a collage and add new elements to it. I always have this mixture out of excitement because I do something new and a little bit of a trepidation that I could mess it up, something like that. Do you know this? Do you know the tension that when you do a collage of, you love to add new things, but there's also a little bit of worry that what you have done up to now you will destroy, as if there would be a problem. Like at the end of the day, it's some paper and we can always do it again and again and again. But yeah, let me know in the comments how it is for you. Okay, Sternenwelt. Usually I'm using Distress Oxide ink to go around, but today I think I'm using a little bit of this thicker paste from the watercolor to highlight the outside and make it also a little bit shiny, fitting to the rest. Okay, while I continue adding bits and pieces to my collage, for the ones that are new here, I'm also always creating a fairy tale or a short story using the same prompts like I used for the collage, and yes, make a story for you out of it. So it's time for you now to lean back, grab your coffee or tea and enjoy the story. In a quaint village nestled between snow-capped mountains, a group of houses stood proudly with their silver roofs glistening like diamonds under the winter sun. Each home was adorned with charming blue door and window frames that seemed to smile at passers-by, inviting them into a world of warmth and cheer. The village, known as Sternenwelt, was a place where magic lingered in the air, especially during the cold months when the stars twinkled brighter than ever. On this particular winter day, a little girl named Lila ventured into the snowy wonderland. With her vibrant red hair peeking out from beneath her warm yellow winter coat, she looked like a ray of sunshine against the white landscape. Lila loved exploring the village, her laughter ringing through the air like a sweet melody. Today, however, she had a special mission: to find her friend, a playful red squirrel named Nutty. As she wandered through the village, Lila noticed 3 golden stars shimmering in the sky. They were unlike any stars she had ever seen, brighter and more radiant. Lila felt a sense of wonder wash over her. It was as if they were calling to her, whispering secrets of adventure and magic. Suddenly, from behind a snowy-laden tree, Nutty appeared, his bushy tail flicking with excitement. Lila knelt down, extending her arms wide, and Nutty scampered up to her shoulder. "Nutty, I've missed you," she exclaimed, hugging him tightly. The squirrel chattered happily in response, his tiny paws resting on her yellow coat. As they played in the snow, building tiny snowmen and tossing snowballs, Lila heard a soft sound nearby. Curiosity piqued, she followed Nutty to a clearing where she found something extraordinary. A gentle reindeer with shimmering silver antlers that sparkled like the stars above. "Wow," Lila gasped, her eyes wide with amazement. The reindeer looked at her with kind eyes that seemed to hold centuries of wisdom. Without hesitation, Lila approached the magnificent creature and wrapped her arms around its neck. "You are so beautiful," she whispered. As she hugged the reindeer tightly, Lila felt an unusual warmth radiating from it. Suddenly, silver swirls began to dance around them, enveloping them in a magical embrace. The world around them transformed. The snowy clearing faded away as they were whisked into a realm beyond imagination. They soared through the sky on the back of the reindeer, passing through clouds that sparkled like diamonds and fields of stardust. The 3 golden stars shone brightly above them, guiding their way through this enchanting landscape of Sternenwelt. "Where are we going?" Lila asked excitedly. "To the heart of Sternenwelt," replied a soft voice from the reindeer. "You have been chosen to witness the magic of our world." As they landed softly on a hilltop bathed in moonlight, Lila gasped at the sight before her. Below lay Sternenwelt in all its glory. Houses with silver roofs and blue frames glimmered like jewels against the night sky. The villagers were gathered in celebration, their laughter echoing through the air. "Tonight is special," said the reindeer. "It is when we honor our stars and share our dreams." Lila watched as each villager released lanterns into the sky, golden lights rising to join the 3 shining stars above. She felt an overwhelming sense of joy and belonging as she joined them, holding Natty close as they released their own lantern together. "Make a wish," whispered Natty. With her heart full of hope and wonder, Lila closed her eyes and wished for more adventures in Sternenwelt, a world where magic thrived and friendships blossomed under silver roofs and blue frames. As dawn broke over Sternenwelt, painting the sky with hues of pink and gold, Lila found herself back in her village, clearing with Natty by her side. The reindeer stood nearby, its presence still warm and comforting. "Remember," it said softly before fading into a shimmering light, "the magic is always within you." Lila smiled brightly as she watched it disappear into silver swirls that danced away into the morning light. She knew that every time she looked up at those 3 golden stars in the sky, or felt the warmth of friendship around her, she would carry a piece of Sternenwelt within her heart forever. With Natty perched happily on her shoulder and visions of adventures swirling in her mind, Lila skipped back toward home, ready for whatever magic awaited her next in this wondrous world where dreams took flight under silver roofs and blue door frames. That brings us to the end of our fairy tale, the end of our collage, and nearly the end of our video. The only thing left to do for us is going over the prompts one more time. Cityscape or urban life are the houses here with the silver roofs. Textured paper is the entire background here. Then a word in a foreign language is Sternenwelt here on top. An image from a magazine are the stickers and the stars there. Something you can wear is the yellow winter coat here that Lila is wearing. And holiday rubber stamping or stickers as, again, all the stickers on that card. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you enjoyed yourself watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my videos. I wish you a wonderful day and bye for now.